Infoman here, and welcome to my Digi Product Lab review. So when I got access to Digi Product Lab, I thought it was going to be like every other ebook creator and just a simple, basic ebook creator, but to my surprise, this thing is quite powerful. It has a lot more features than I thought it would. And to include some of those, you're going to have a ebook cover creator. It creates ebooks, and it creates even your landing pages for your ebooks so that you can give them away to collect email leads. And during this review, like always, I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get with Digi Product Lab. You're going to see exactly what it is, and I'm going to go through a demo showing you how to create an ebook cover, showing you how to create the ebook, and even how to access the landing pages. From then, we're going to show you my bonuses if you decide to get Digi Product Lab from me, and I have quite a few bonuses, high quality custom bonuses for you guys if you decide to stick through to the end of this video when I reveal what those are. And lastly, we're going to go through the upsells of the Digi Product Lab funnel so you know exactly what to expect when you're buying Digi Product Lab. So let's go ahead and go through Digi Product Lab. This is an online software, web-based software that creates ebooks that you can sell or give away to clients, to customers, to people on your email list to get email leads. You could even sell these ebooks to earn money, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So we're going to go ahead and go to ebook creator cover, and inside here, this is where you're going to be able to create your ebook covers. So you're going to go ahead and click on create eCover. We're going to do a flat cover design. And let's go with this forest template here and then click create. Oh, first we have to name it. I'm going to call it forest. Oh, looks like it wants to create a different name, so we're going to call this forest 2. All right, and as you can see, it's almost like a web-based Photoshop. You can change the text, you can change the color of the text, you can change the background of the ebook cover, you can view different layers just like in Photoshop, you can add images, you can add shapes. It's pretty much limitless for what you can do for creating these ebook covers. Once you have finished creating your ebook cover, you're going to go ahead and click on save and close. It's going to save it. It's going to put you back in Digi Product Lab dashboard, and then you're going to go all the way down and you'll see your design right there at the bottom. Next, what we're going to do is actually create a license for our ebook. We could go right into creating an ebook, but you're going to want to do a license for your ebook in case people want to use your ebook, sell it, use it as PLR, different things like that. You want to give it a custom license. So we're going to go ahead and add a new license certificate, and you can choose exactly what you want the people who get a hold of your ebook to be able to do. So they can either give it away, they can package it, they can offer it as a bonus, they can sell it for resale rights like PLR, they can edit it, different things like that. If you don't want them to be able to do anything with your ebook at all, then keep all of these things unchecked. And after you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and hit Save Changes, and it creates your license cover. After that, we're going to go ahead and create an ebook. Now, this is pretty cool here. You can create ebooks in Digi Product Lab through creating from articles that's within Digi Product Lab itself. You can also create them manually by typing your own words, or you can just paste a URL from a website and it'll create an ebook for you from that URL. So we're going to go ahead and create it from articles. So go ahead and enter in some keywords. I'm going to go with make money, and we're going to go ahead and find all the related articles in the PLR repository that relate to make money. It takes a few seconds to find all these articles and gather them together. Okay, so now it's going to present all these different results for all these articles that included making money in the title. So what you're going to do is you're going to select all these articles that interest you that you would want to turn into chapters of your ebook. So say we want to make this one a chapter, be chapter 1. We want to scroll down and we want to talk about affiliate marketing. So that's going to be our chapter number 2. And then we're going to have maybe something to do with mortgage as chapter 3. This is just an example. Obviously, you wouldn't put all those together, but just for example purposes. And then you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to hit create. And now what it's going to do is going to put all those articles together inside of a new ebook. And you can title your ebook. I'm just going to call mine Make Money Easy. And there you can see it has the different chapters from the articles that we chose. And then you're going to go ahead and create your ebook. Once you've created your ebook, you're going to go ahead and go back to my library. And this is the ebook right here that we just created. And what you can do now is you can edit the landing page for the ebook so you can acquire new leads onto your email list. Okay, there it is. And we're going to go ahead and go to Manage Landing Pages. And inside here, you can actually add a new landing page for your ebook. And you can go ahead and title it. So we'll just title it Make Money Landing Page. And then from there, you can actually load product pages templates. Let's go here. And you have all these different landing page templates that you can choose from. So just for example purposes, we'll choose this. And that's, now you can edit your landing page, and then this is going to be your download content page where they can actually download the ebook after getting onto your list. And for other things that you have here, you also have a training module here that contains tons of different videos of in-depth, in-detail training on how to use Digi Product Lab to make money off affiliate marketing. So now let's go ahead and take a look at my bonuses that you will get if you decide to pick up Digi Product Lab from the link down below in the description of this video. So bonus number 1 is going to be Traffic Lab. So Traffic Lab is this complete traffic suite that allows you to get traffic to your ebooks, because that is something that's not really discussed a whole lot inside Digi Product Lab. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get traffic with Traffic Lab, which is a web-based software that allows people to get traffic to videos and articles and different things like that. Bonus number 2 is a 17 product vault. So this one is actually 17 different products contained in this one web link that I'm going to give to you. And all these products have to do with making money online and affiliate marketing. They're not just these PLR products. These are actually video-based products that were taken time to create, and there's 17 of them together inside one vault. The last bonus is a Facebook hack on how to make $2,000 in 20 minutes on Facebook. You can also use this hack to sell people ebooks on Facebook, or to even give them ebooks so that they could get onto your list and you can make money off of them by promoting affiliate offers. Lastly, let's go through the upsells and the OTOs. So upsell number 1 is Digi Product Lab Unlimited, and that's going to be $67, and that's going to be the unlimited version of the app, so it will allow you to create unlimited amount of ebooks. OTO number 2 is $97, and that is Digi Product Lab Automated Traffic. So this is a done-for-you traffic stream. So they're actually going to give you traffic to your ebooks so that you could make money off of them, or you could use them to get leads for your email list. OTO 3 is done-for-you products and funnels. So this is where they're actually going to give you done-for-you packages. Each one's going to be in a different niche, and you're going to have these ebooks ready to go, including landing pages and your thank you pages, so that you basically don't have to do any work. You can just take these ebooks and put them into action and start making money from them. OTO number 4 is list building funnels. So it allows you to build your list with an opt-in page and done-for-you products. That's $47. OTO number 5 is Bonus Builder app for $67, and this is a software that creates bonus pages that you can use to promote people's products and services, and you can also use this database of products to give away to people to entice them to buy from your product link and make money off of that. OTO number 6 is the Digi Product Lab license rights. This basically allows you to sell Digi Product Lab and to keep all of the profits that you sell instead of just a portion of that as an affiliate. So this is my review of Digi Product Lab. I highly recommend it. It is a great ebook creating software if you're into this kind of thing. Make sure to go ahead and click on the link down in the description below if you're interested in my bonuses. It'll take you to my bonus page, and that's where you can click through and go to the sales page of Digi Product Lab. I'm Infoman, and thank you for watching my Digi Product Lab review.